guys! Welcome back to another vlog. For today's video ay gagawa ko ng video para magpasalamat sa lahat ng nabigay sa akin ng gifts internationally. So, kailangan kong mag-English para maintindihan nila ako. Pansin nyo, wala akong makeup. Kasi nag-swimming kami sa Antipolo.
Nagkaroon ako ng ganyan. Nakakainis. Tapos hindi lang ako yung naganto. Actually, pati yung kasama ko.
So, without further ado, let's get started. So, challenge to kasi English. Let's start! First thing I got is this wallet. Came from Jen Vlog. This is what it looks like. And then the zipper.
Actually, all of them are gift wrap. But since I am really excited to open it, then I open it. By the way, all these gifts came from Kuwait City. And I just received it for about 2 weeks ago.
Long sleeves from Jen Vlog, and she also put a letter. Sophie, good luck to your channel from Jen Vlog. This is what it looks like. It fits me really good. Look at this. Oh. So, next item from Jen Vlog again is a OtterBox case for my iPhone 6s. I opened it already. It looks like. But since I already used it, it already has scratch. 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 So sad. Last one from Kuya TAREQ. You know what, guys? I am really excited to have this. Like, I am really looking for it for so long. For every store. Look. Ta-da! Ta-da! Thank you so much for all the gifts that I received. Sana madami pa. I'm open to receive all the gifts you wanted to give me. Joke. Well, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell button. Bye.